But 1.5 degrees centigrade is basically how much warming on average around the planet there must have been over the last century. And that was a target set by 197 countries around the world that said, look, ideally, we want to stop the warming going above 1.5 degrees. And there's a few reasons for that. But the planet doesn't know that 1.5 is particularly important. But that's the point at which we're really getting concerned at that point. That's where things like the Antarctic ice sheets might start melting and not actually be able to stop. That's where maybe some of the ocean circulation changes might stop. So we really want to try and keep it below that uncertainty. And 1.5 degrees is it. But that's a long-term average. That's when the planet is 1.5 degrees warmer than a century ago. Last year, or this last 12 months, we actually hit 1.5 degrees centigrade warmer over this last century. So we've hit that minimum level. But it's only probably a temporary one, because we've got this amazing big change happening in the Pacific. The oceans are warming up, particularly in the Pacific. But it's a short-term phenomenon called the El Nino, which people might be familiar with. But the bottom line is it doesn't stay like that all the time. And so next year, we're probably going to go into the reverse of that. So hopefully it's just a temporary blip. But what it's telling you is a red flag that there's a real problem here. We're on the precipice. We need to pull